Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is close the cap of my culture. Just kind of flip the tube, make sure everything dislodges a little bit. Okay. Then I'm going to obtain a sterile inoculating loop from this bag, hold it in my dominant hand, unscrew the lid off my culture, hold it, flame the top of the tube, then I'm going to insert the inoculating loop, kind of swirl it around, flame the mouth of the tube, place the lid back on. Then I am going to obtain my new broth, which I have labeled. I did this wrong. Going to unscrew and place my new bacteria in there, swirl the loop around, remove, flame the mouth. And I should have flamed it before I inserted the bacteria, but it's okay. Okay, then we're going to screw the lid back on and then pull it back a little bit so that it can still breathe. And then I'm going to dispose of this used. Okay, and so now what I'm going to do is transfer the culture into the tryptic soy agar, which is slanted. So the first thing that I'm going to do is remove another sterile inoculating loop, hold it in my dominant hand. Again, I'm going to unscrew my culture, flame the lid, insert this, swirl it around, flame the lid again, screw this cap back on, obtain my slanted soy agar, going to twist it off, flame the lid, then I'm going to perform the fishtail slant inoculation technique. I'm going to insert it and then slowly move it back and forth. Careful not to disrupt any of the agar. Pull it out, flame the lid again. Oops, we'll relight that. And then I'm going to put this lid back on, if I can get it back on. And then I'm gonna twist it a quarter of the way again to allow oxygen in, and then set it off to the side. And then I'm going to have to relight my candle, but I'm gonna dispose of this. Okay. So now all I have left is my plate, which I have also labeled. I'm going to flip it over. Okay. This is my soy broth again, which the next thing I'm going to do is, again, obtain a sterile inoculating loop, which I will hold in my dominant hand. Again, unscrew this lid of my culture, flame the lid, going to insert my inoculating loop, swirl it around, remove it, flame the lid again, oops. Put this lid back on my culture. I'm going to very, very slowly swirl it around on the agar. Being careful not to disrupt anything. Close my plate, invert my plate, and then dispose of my final inoculating loop. And that was the 3 transfers from the lyophilized, reactivated culture into the plate, the slanted agar, and then some new broth using aseptic technique. Thank you.